Hello friends, welcome to yet another exciting video. In today's video, we are going to see a unique product by the name HEBEZON Water Faucet. A 360-degree rotating water-saving sprinkler 2-gear adjustable head nozzle, water sprayer shower for kitchen. It comes with 3 water output modes designed with one button of 3 adjustable water spray modes, Pulse plus Shower. This kitchen faucet sprayer head can meet different washing needs for you. You can adjust the output modes of water according to your demands. This faucet aerator kitchen tap head swivels 360 degree at any angle you want for flexibility and convenience. It's easy to install, DIY do it yourself. No need of plumber. Easy to use, you will find it more convenient if the tap head is rotating because it may move in any direction with 45-degree deviation and cover the entire sink area. 3 modes with an adjustable mode switch to save time. This splash-proof prevents user clothing from becoming wet. Water-saving and cost-effective, this kitchen tap head can adjust water flow from stream to spray. Water mixed with air provides powerful spray and high-pressure flow. It is effective to save energy and reduce water consumption, good for environmental protection. Forceful water momentum increases water pressure, making cleaning easily and functionally. Water saving up to 30% to 70% compared with standard bubble faucets. If you like the product and wish to buy it, it's available online on Amazon and its link is mentioned in the description. Do check out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting videos.